Hello everyone, welcome back to the standard deviation for general maths year 12. And then today we're going to talk about the standard deviation, finally. In year 11, we've been just touch base on the standard deviation looks like. And what does that mean is like they are measuring the how the data are spread around the mean. So the set of data, for example, you had 8, 10, 11, 12, 12, and 13, and the mean equal to 11 amount of each observations, which is deviates, which is a differs. The mean is calculated by showing the tables. So what we do is we're using the original data to minus the mean. So which is, for example, you can say a minus 11 is equal to negative 3. 10 minus 11 equal to negative 1, and then 11 minus 9 equals 0, and then so on and so on. So that looks like the derivations of the mean. So that's why in the summary, and we will say this a little formula for us for understand the standard deviation of sample. Um, so especially what's the power means that in the square, so that's a power. Hopefully that makes sense. And then divided by n minus 1, so n is actually representing how many outcome samples we have, and this one is a square root. So that looks scary, but it's fine. You will find out the what it looks like in the CAS calculator as well. So sigma representing the sum of, x representing the observation, and mean representing the bar x. So which is once we have, for example, the old tables, we're adding them all plus, 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 and plus. And then the numbers we have, and what we do is we're going to try to square it, and then we find out the standard deviation. Um, let's have a look with the CAS calculator calculation. So what we do is we're gonna price this whole petrol station for services and for 15 weeks of periods, which is the record for each Friday. This is the money we actually, if you go into the petrol station, we'll see some like the poster, and there's the money for that day or update for on Friday. So we have $15. First thing first, we pull these dollars in our cash calculator. So what we do is we start with the spare and the calculation. And so we might say it's a PT, so petrol station, so PS maybe. We say PS. Yeah. So petrol station and or cost, whatever the name you want to be. So what we do is now we can start with the uh, plugging the numbers we have. So give me I shoot down that one earlier, but sorry guys, and give me a chance. Well, feel free to pause and try to practice as well right now. Um, so what we have is we just press these things in at the moment. During this time, you guys can practice as well, and hopefully that help you to understand how to use the CAS. And 162.6 and 161, and then 156.4 and 159 and 160.2. We nearly there, guys. And 162.6. And last two is 168.4. Last one, 168.8. Perfect. We have 15 weeks. Now what we do is we use the money as a petrol station price, and we click the menu. So statistics, one variable stats, make sure it's a column lay, and then we press that one. So now I want you guys to say the standard deviation of main is as x are representing. So that means 4.5159. So once you have Sx, that's your standard deviation. Now we can rewrite down by our question, which is standard corrected to two decimals, which is standard deviation are equal to 4.51592, which is approximately equal to 4.52 cents per liter. So hopefully that makes sense. Yeah. And we keep going. This is the cast I'm using, so hopefully that can help you. Now what we do is we're gonna have something called the stamp clocks. So what we do is we can using our knowledge to set up the answers first, so the data first. So what we have is we have 4, so 4, 8, 8, 11, 13, and 14, 15, 18, 23, and 25. So this is all the data we have. If you want to calculate the standard deviation set of the four significant figures, use the formula. So what we do is we're going to use the formula. We need to find out x and minus the mean. So we need to find the mean first. So 4 plus a plus 11 plus 13 plus 14 plus 15 plus 18 plus 23 plus 25 divided by 10. So which is equal to, so first thing first, mean equal to 13.9. So use the cast please. And once we have that, and we're gonna find out our each one of the signals, which is 4 minus 13.9, and 8 minus 13.9, and so on and so on. Use the tables if you can. Give a practice, you will be understand how the actual works. So n equal to 10, and x minus that square, and we actually need to calculate back the table. We might try this one in the classroom, but now I'm going to show you how to do it in CAS calculator. Okay, so very easy. As we practice is, this one is the term give the stamp clock, which is assembly during how many students attend. Okay, so what we do is we say A is our list. So how many students attend? So it's just 4, 8, 8, 11, 13, 14, 15, 18, 23, 25. So we have that, and then same ideas. Practice that. One variable stats. Press A. Column is a variable reference. If you make sure you have the variable reference, okay? So once we have that, standard deviation 6.674. So hopefully that makes sense. So we need to practice with a CAS calculator a lot. So that's why I want you guys to bring your blue CAS during this time. I will make sure I remind you guys as well. And I'll see you guys next time.